very warm welcome to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. Do you guys know one fact about food? That it travels. Yes, food travel from one country to another country, from one state to another state, from one city to another city. And the thing remain constant is a change. Yes, they change their ingredients and even its name. They change ingredient because they want to add their local ingredients or which is easily accessible to them. And they change their name because every language have different name even for water. So why not for dish? So that's why name also get changed. So today's recipe is originally from Turkey. From Turkey it travels to Greece and then to Middle East. And in Middle East people start calling it shawarma. Basically, shawarma is a non-vegetarian food. But today, I am going to share a vegetarian version of shawarma roll. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First thing we are going to make is a pickle for this one. For that I am taking 1 cup of water and adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and also going to add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. When water is little warm, firstly I am going to add carrot because carrot is little harder. It takes little time to cook, that's why I cut batons of carrot. And if you have beetroot, also use beetroot, that gives nice color as well as flavor. And now I'm going to add bell peppers because these are hard, that's why we are going to add this. Later we will add cucumber. Give it a good boil, and now I am placing this on another stove and prepare our shawarmas. Now in a pan I am going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 chopped onion. Just saute it well. Now here I want to share one thing, that I am using vegan shawarmas which is made of soya and it's also ready made. I haven't made at home. But if you are a paneer lover, you can always replace it with paneer. Just cut it into chunks or slices, whatever you like, and then marinate it little bit. I have shared so many marination recipes in my previous video. You can try any of the marination and just marinate it well. Roast it on a tawa or oven, whatever you like, and then you can use that paneer instead of this shawarma chunks. But here I really want to try this one because basically shawarma is made of meat. So I want to really have that texture and really have that flavors. So I tried this one and it really turns out amazing. If you can get these vegan shawarmas, definitely try with this one. Otherwise paneer is a great replacement. And also I didn't put any Indian spices in this. So here our pickles are also done, and at the last I'm going to add cucumbers because these are soft, so it didn't take a lot of time. That's why I'm going to add this in at last. But I must say you prepare this at least 1 hour before so that absorbs flavor. Now we are going to prepare our dough for wraps. If you want, you can use ready-made wraps or tortillas or any pita bread, whatever you like. But I want to make it little wholesome. That's why I made this at home. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of yogurt, and make it a good nice dough as normal as we make for our chapatis or parathas. And yes, one more thing, I'm not going to add any chemical like baking powder or baking soda or yeast powder. Because of yogurt, this will give amazing texture as well as flavor. So that's why I'm not going to add anything. And I'm also using multigrain wheat flour, no all purpose flour, to make it more wholesome. And of course you must add water slowly because of yogurt, it won't take a lot of water, so be careful about this thing. I must say nice dough comes out when you keep that for resting. So here also we are going to keep it around 15 to 20 minutes for resting. After 20 minutes I'm going to add little bit of oil so that it gives little softness to the dough, and going to knead it for 1 or 2 minutes. And I would like to share one thing. If you are adding oil in a dough, that will make crispy. And if you are adding oil after making dough, that will make dough softer. So it's a tip here. This was around 1.5 cup of flour. So this will give you around 6 equal portions. Now we are going to roll it. Not very thin, not very thick, but yes, little bigger than normal chapatis, because this will help when we are going to wrap it. That will make it little easy. So yes, we are going to roll it. And of course, you can dust little bit of dry flour whenever it's required. And see, this big I have rolled it here. And now I'm going to place it over a pan and will make it little golden brown as we normal do for our chapatis. And you can see it's getting raised, that's because of yogurt. And we need not to add any chemical. Yogurt will give really a good flavor as well as texture. So need not to add any useless chemicals in our food. And now it's almost done. Now we are going to prepare our wraps. Going to place chapatis which we have made, and going to spread garlic sauce which is made of mayonnaise and garlic, and this is sambal sauce. I told you I'm not going to add any Indian chutneys or spread, so that's why I am using all these spread. Just spread it out nicely. Going to place pickle which we have made, and this one you can also make earlier and you can store for overnight. I don't say for more days, but yes, overnight you can surely do that. And spreading little bit of lettuce and little bit of olive oil, black olive and green olive. If you don't have, just skip it. And these are the shawarmas which you have roasted. Put in generous quantity and then just roll it. And trust me, guys, these were very amazing in taste. I must say, these are wholesome yet tasty. And these are very great option if you are going outside for a picnic or even for a office lunch. You can just make a wrap, fold in a foil or a paper bag, and then just take along with you. See, this is done in few minutes, and I would recommend to serve with french fries and mayonnaise, which gives amazing taste. Enjoy with your friends and family.
So, I hope you like this recipe. If you have watched till here, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon because that gives notification whenever I am uploading a new video. And thank you once again for supporting me. Signing off right now. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay happy. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.